everyone. So if you haven't heard, there's actually an ancient medicine used to help women all over the world with chronic fertility issues. Now this ancient practice is actually called Yoni Steaming or V-steaming. It's ideal for women intending to either become pregnant or if you already are a mama, it can actually help rejuvenate as well as speed healing. You definitely want to avoid steaming if you're pregnant or think you might be. Now the practice is actually pretty simple. You essentially add a combination of medicinal herbs. You can either buy as a pre-pack or you can buy them individually fresh. I've actually included at the end just like a little list of the different herbs that are typically used. And basically you add these herbs to hot water and you allow it to steep by just putting the lid on top, just for a few minutes. Now from there, you essentially sit or squat on a special yoni chair, which is basically a chair with a hole in the middle, and wrap yourself with a blanket or towel, make a tea, read a book, or simply meditate for 20 to 25 minutes as you heal. So yoni steaming is actually designed to improve fertility, regulate menstrual cycles, potentially cleanse the uterus, as well as increase libido. Now these are just the main bulk points. There's so many incredible benefits, especially for women's health. Now, if you've been trying for a while and if you're having issues with your fertility, try steaming for 2 to 3 months. This is what's recommended. And then again, start fresh. So whether you're thinking of becoming a mama or whether you already are a mama or literally have like zero interest in conceiving, yoni steaming is actually just an amazing addition to women's health in general as well as fertility. And even though it's an ancient practice, there's a reason why it's still being used literally all over the world. Hope you get a chance to, try it out for yourself, and all the